Welcome to the world of exceptional hardwood flooring services provided by Beaumar, Colorado Hardwood Flooring. We take pride in delivering top-notch craftsmanship and expertise to transform your space into something nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're looking for traditional or exotic hardwood flooring, our team of highly skilled craftsmen are here to cater to your every need. We specialize in the installation, repair, and refinishing of traditional and exotic hardwood flooring, restoring their natural beauty and ensuring they stand the test of time. And it's not just floors. We also offer expertise in staircase installation, repair, and refinishing, creating a seamless flow throughout your entire home. But what truly sets us apart is our revolutionary technique of dustless sanding. No more hassle or mess, just impeccable results. We understand that some areas require extra care. That's why we offer premium laminate flooring and luxury vinyl plank flooring that cater to high moisture and high traffic areas, such as bathrooms or kitchens. Rest assured, even in the busiest spaces, our flooring options will surpass your expectations. We believe in providing personalized solutions to each of our clients. Our experienced team will guide you through every step of the way, ensuring your vision becomes a reality. At Beaumar, Colorado Hardwood Flooring, our mission is to make your space exceptional. Trust us to be your go-to destination for all your hardwood flooring needs. Choose Beaumar, Colorado. Hardwood flooring for exceptional hardwood flooring services. Contact us at the link below today and let us bring your vision to life. And don't forget to ask about Dustless sanding service.